23andMe collection kit. Hi, ooh la la. What do we have here? Funnel kit. That's the funnel lid. That's the funnel. That's the cap. That's the tube. That's the fill line. Ready, set, wait. Before you begin, please review this important information. Indications for use. The 23andMe Saliva Collection Kit is intended for the non-invasive collection of saliva samples. DNA from the saliva sample is isolated, stabilized, and suitable for over-the-counter use with the 23andMe Personal Genome Service PGS test for the health plus ancestry service and ancestry plus traits service. Saliva samples collected using the 23andMe Saliva Collection Kit are stabilized and can be transported and/or stored long-term at ambient conditions. The 23andMe Health plus Ancestry PGS test uses qualitative genotyping to detect clinically relevant variants in genomic DNA isolated from human saliva collected from individuals 18 years old with the 23andMe Saliva Collection Kit for the purpose of reporting and interpreting certain carrier status, genetic health risks, cancer risks, and pharmacogenetics. The test is intended to provide users with their genetic information to inform lifestyle decisions and conversations with their doctor or other healthcare professional. Warnings and precautions. Wash with water if stabilizing liquid comes in contact with eyes or skin. Do not ingest. See MSDS at 23andme.com/safety-data-sheet. Small cap may pose a choking hazard. Report any serious incident to 23andMe and the competent authority in your country. Contents. Number 1, set of step-by-step instructions. 1. Sample return bag. 1. Origin DX OGD-500.001 saliva collection device containing 2 milliliters of stabilizing liquid. This product is designed for the collection of human saliva samples. Limitations. The 23andMe PGS test can tell if you have genetic variants associated with certain health conditions. The report does not diagnose any health conditions or provide medical advice. Consult with a healthcare professional before making any major lifestyle changes or if you have any concerns about your results. The laboratory may not be able to process your sample. If this happens, we will notify you by email and provide you with 1 free replacement kit to provide us with a new sample. Summary and explanation. This self-collection kit provides materials and instructions for collecting and stabilizing saliva samples for use with the 23andMe PGS test. The test detects specific gene variants. Your genetic results are returned to you in a secure online account on the 23andMe website for in vitro diagnostic use. And a page. Okay, let's get started. Download the 23andMe app and use it to register your kit. You'll receive instructions for how to collect your saliva sample and start your genetic journey. No app, no worries. Follow these 8 easy steps to get started. Step number 1, register your kit. Go online to 23andme.com/start to register your saliva collection tube using the barcode. We recommend writing the number down for future reference, or taking a picture if that's easier. The important thing to remember is that your sample can't be processed until it's registered. Step number 2, no food or drink for 30 minutes. Don't eat, drink, chew gum, brush teeth, or smoke for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. And don't remove the plastic film from the funnel lid. Do not stop or change any course of treatment or medication prior to collecting your spit. Step number 3, fill to line. Spit into the funnel until the amount of liquid saliva, not bubbles, reaches the fill line shown here. Step number 4, close funnel lid. Holding the tube upright, close the funnel lid as shown by firmly pushing on the lid until you hear a click. The liquid in the lid will be released into the tube to mix with the saliva. Make sure that the lid is closed tightly. Step number 5, screw on the cap. Continuing to hold the tube upright, unscrew the funnel from the tube and discard. Use the cap to seal the tube. Shake the tube for 5 seconds. Step number 6, seal in bag. And it shows in here. You're nearly done. Now place the capped tube into the plastic bag containing the absorbent pad and seal the bag. Do not remove the absorbent pad from the bag. Step number 7, ship in box. Return the sealed plastic bag to the original box. Peel the strip and seal the box closed. Then ship. The plastic container is recyclable if you feel so inclined. Shipping has been prepaid, so you can save your stamps. You've already used enough saliva. Step number 8, let the discovery begin. Once your sample has been processed, you will receive an email letting you know that your results are in. Simply sign in to your secure online account and let the genetic discovery begin.